Guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new Tech Talks video on my channel. This is the Tech Talks episode 6. If you haven't watched the previous Tech Talk videos, the link will be in the description box. Go check it out. And okay, so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. We all know that Netflix is a very well-known and renowned web series as well as a movie streaming platform. But do you know that Netflix will soon be launching a different kind of experience for all its users? It will soon be introducing a gaming platform where people can even play games like they used to play in the PlayStations. All you need to do is to buy a gaming device, that is a gaming controller. All you need to do is to attach it with your TV, and then you are good to go. You all need is that you need a Netflix subscription and you are good to go. All these things will be mentioned with a new update, and this Netflix gaming services will soon be launched in India within this year only. We all know that iQOO is a very well-known smartphone brand in terms of when it comes to gaming devices, and this year they also released their latest flagship device, that is the iQOO 7 series, and now they will soon be launching their iQOO Z series, that is the iQOO Z3, which will come with a 55-watt fast charging. It's beyond imagination, that is 55 watts of fast charging, and also with a very high-end specs, that is Snapdragon processors, and all those things will also be included with higher refresh rates as well. And they also told that these devices may come within this year only. Oppo will soon be launching its latest flagship, that is the Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus. It will soon be launched in India within this year only, and Oppo has also claimed that they will be coming up with the latest display technology, that is the 120Hz display will also be there, along with some additional features as well, which will make your viewing experience much more better and clear, and you can even watch 8K videos on that device as well. Also, it will be coming up with some of the high-end specs that only the flagship devices provide you at a very high price, but the Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus will be coming up with a very budget-friendly price option, so that everyone can get their hands on it. And also they will be coming up with some of the cool additional discounts as well, so that people can also get a variety of choices along with different kinds of storage variants as well. And it will be confirmed that they will soon be launching this device within this year only, and let's see what comes out. Petron will soon be launching its Bass Buds Sports Edition. We all know that Petron is a well-known brand which manufactures headphones, earbuds, earpods, and at a very cost-effective price. And this Bass Buds Sports Edition will be costing you around ₹999 rupees, and the most interesting fact is that it will come with a 32 hours of continuous playback experience, and also with Google Assistant and other different types of services, that is the in-ear detection mode, and all those things will be also included in this device at a very budget-friendly option. Okay, so when we talk about social media platforms, the three most important names that come in our mind is Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. These three platforms are well known social media platforms nowadays, and most of us, almost every one of us, use it. And what if I tell that these three platforms are in serious trouble because of some of the policies that our Indian government has put forward? Yes, the Indian government has put forward some policies and decisions that they have told that these platforms have to sign so that they can continue their services in India, and they have also given a deadline that within this year only they have to sign a agreement that after they sign that agreement they will be allowed to continue their services in India. And let's see what comes out. I will also be posting some information related to it if I get in my upcoming videos as well. So hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in this kind of tech news. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.